In this lesson, we will take a look at nested dictionaries. We saw nested lists, we saw nested tuples, and we can also have nested dictionaries, which is simply a dictionary within a dictionary. But we can also have a dictionary within a dictionary within a dictionary within a dictionary, and so on. Let's head over to PyScripter and take a look. I've opened up the nested dictionaries.pyscript from your dictionaries folder in your reference folder in your Python scripts folder. I want to talk through this one rather than type it out. Or on the left side here, I have a dictionary called point symbology. Now this dictionary represents the JSON for a point in ArcGIS Online. If you're unfamiliar with JSON, it stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and the syntax very closely resembles a dictionary in Python. If we take a look at our point symbology dictionary, we only have two keys. We have a type key and a symbol key. Type has a value of simple, where symbol is actually a dictionary of its own. Within that symbol dictionary, we have a type keyword, we have a color keyword, which has a value of a list. We have angle key, x offset, y offset, size, which have values of integers. Style has a string value, and then we have outline, and this outline key has a value of another dictionary, and within that dictionary we have a key of type, color, width and style. Now we noted before that the key must be unique, but the key must be unique per dictionary, so you can repeat a key in a nested dictionary. Here we see type in the root of our dictionary, and then in our symbol outline we have another type keyword. I'm just going to comment out these print statements here because I want to run them one at a time. First up, we're just going to print the point symbology dictionary to screen. Let's run the script. Okay, we can see that printed out in our Python interpreter. We have our type keyword and our symbol keyword, and our symbol contains a dictionary, and within that dictionary we have a key called outline that also contains another dictionary. Comment out that example and we will uncomment our point symbology.keys. If we run this, we'll see that the initial dictionary only has two keys, and that is our type and symbol that we noted earlier on in this video. And of course, we can also print out the values. So here we can see that we have two values. We have simple, this is the value for the type keyword, and we also have a dictionary, which was the value for our symbol keyword. Let's take a look at how we can dig into these nested dictionaries. We know our point symbology dictionary has a key called symbol and a value that is a dictionary. So we can access using our square brackets, supplying in our key name. We know it's a dictionary, so we can use the .keys method. If we run that script, we can now see the keys for our nested dictionary. We also know that outline is a dictionary itself too. And of course, we can print the values associated with our nested dictionary. So here we're using our point symbology variable and supplying in our symbol keyword and using the values method to get the values associated with that nested dictionary. I'll hit run. And we can see our values. And we can see that one of our values is another dictionary. Comment out that example, and we will access that nested dictionary within a nested dictionary by chaining keys. So here we have our point symbology dictionary. We're accessing the values of our symbol key, which contains a key called outline. So if we think of that, our point symbology is a dictionary, our symbol is a dictionary, and our outline is a dictionary. So when I hit run, we get the dictionary associated with our outline. We'll comment out that example and look at our last example where we can, of course, use the keys to access the keys associated with our nested dictionary within a nested dictionary. And we can see we have returned our type, color, width and style, which if we look over on the left are the keys for our nested dictionary within a nested dictionary from our original point symbol dictionary. In this video, we took a look at nested dictionaries. Knowledge of nested dictionaries comes in very handy when you are dealing with JSON or with GeoJSON. With ArcGIS Online and the ArcGIS API for Python, JSON is what drives the configurations for feature services, feature layers, web maps, and many more items in ArcGIS Online. GeoJSON is an extension of JSON and is used in many mapping programs.